Hi, this is Farz and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an animated GIF in Photoshop in just a very few easy steps. And at the end of the video I'll show you how to save it also. So let's get started. At first you need to select the photos for your GIF. You can use time-lapse or burst mode images for a smooth animation, and you can select multiple images 5 to 10, 10 to 20 for a better result, but make sure all the images are same size. You can put all the images in a single folder for easy access. And now you need to import the photos into Photoshop. For this, go to File, Scripts, and then load file into Stack. Okay. Now hit browse and select all your photos. Then hit open. Hit OK now, and Photoshop will open them as layers in Photoshop. You can import the photos normally by using the import option or place embedded option, but make sure they are in a single document and come as a layers. Okay, just like this. And now open the timeline panel. For this, go to the window and here you will find the timeline. Just hit it and then select create frame animation from the drop down. Hit the button to create your fast animation. Okay. And now convert your all the image layers into frames. For this, hit the menu of the timeline panel option and here you will find make frame from layers. Just hit it and you will get all the layers into the timeline panel. And now set the loop option from here. Three options actually: once, 3 times, and forever. Forever is best for social media and websites, so I'm going with forever. And now you can select the frame delay time. So select the 3 layers by pressing and hold shift key and select the 3 layers and just click on this icon and you will find the delay time. So I'm going with 0.1 seconds. And now hit the play button and look at this. It's done. Actually the basic thing is done. Now we need to export this. Okay, so pause it, and to export it go to the file, then export and select here save for web legacy. Okay, and you will find a new window here. Just hit the save option from here and you can rename it like this, and that's done. So it's very easy, it's not complicated. I will love this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.